Hi ma'am, hi sir, I am Ronan Ol. I am 44-year-old, married, and I have two children, a 25-year-old girl and an 18-year-old boy. I work as a domestic helper for 4 years and 6 months. I work in Lebanon for 2 years. I was finished contract there and served for 4 person in the family, a couple and 2 kids. I worked in Hong Kong in the year 2021 for only 6 months because I was terminated because of co-worker problem. I'm about to finish my contract with my current employer on May 16. I am good in cooking Chinese food and I am willing to learn other foods. I love taking care of kids. I am a trusted person, reliable, kind, and I can manage household works even my employer is not in the house. I can work without their supervision. I don't like to work with co-helper. I want to work with a family of 3, a couple and 1 kid for my next employer. I hope you're interested with me. Thank you.